Okay, so blind reaction to this Twyla. Actually, she's kind of got a good face. Honestly, she looks a little cross-eyed. A lot of the dolls do, honestly, and I never hear people talk about it. I'm probably gonna hand paint the accessories like I did with Horley, and it's kind of just the same outfit now. And then, actually, let's look at her wall, what she has. It's cute. It's just so much going on with every doll. And I just like that. Hold on. Okay, I got the key out. Oh, this one was already unlocked. We're gonna unlock them all. Okay, that one. We got stuck. Okay. These are like a dark purple. I could never see Twyla on this color specifically, but this is a really nice blue. Okay, let me open these up and let me get the bags out. Okay, so I got all the bags out, and let's open these one by one just to see what they are. Oh, actually, these were kind of cute. These are painted on details, which is really nice. The 2 shoes, and then the keychain with the key. So obviously that was the last one I was supposed to open. And oh my god, wait, actually, why are these? I love this collection. So there's a shadow book, a little tray of cookies. What is this? Oh, it's like a headphone, like some AirPods. That's cute. Is there only one? Oops, okay. And then a little lantern purse. Cute. You can't store anything in it though. Open the other bag. Oh. Another purse. This one is just straight blue plastic. I'm gonna paint the details on. And one singular earring came out. Oh, here's the other earring. With a lock and a key. Cute. And then a key. Oh, and a little necklace. Very basic. And then this is going to be the only after this. Okay. Oh, here's her jacket with rabbit ears. Nah. Okay. The other key, obviously. Oh, here's the pleather skirt, which has little eye details on it. It's cute. And then a little Dustin baby tee. And that's it. Let me go get Twyla out of her box. Let's Twyla out of her box. I just don't have scissors right now. Okay, I found scissors, so let's just get my hair out. What I do for the hair so I don't cut it is I just pull. Okay, here's her out of the box. Yum. Yeah, these are a problem. I can just tell that these are gonna be a problem. Her face is really nice though, high key. Let's see if she's got the ears. Her ears still have cobwebs in them. It's very nice. I'm gonna take off her shoes and I'm gonna see if her... Okay, so I took off her shoes in the plastic thing and her leg is painted and it doesn't look like the shoes were just shoved on before we tried. Wait, let me look. I don't know, there's a little chip in mine, but that's to be expected with these kind of dolls. I did get her on clearance and let me go fix her up. So, okay, so this is my Twyla all done and dressed. I'm gonna display her with the lantern and this little book. And I did find both of her headphones cute. So I'm gonna go put her on display next to Twyla and we're gonna see how they look together. Okay, so I put the flash on. Here's Twyla standing, here's Twyla sitting next to my Twyla doll. I already hand painted her details on. I'm probably gonna leave Twyla's alone, but here they are. They're next to each other. I'm gonna have to get different lighting for the dolls, but this is what they look like. I need to fix her bangs. This is an atrocity, but that's what we have.